Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the speaker here in your Samsung A10. In my previous video you can show how to uninstall this back cover here. I'm gonna take it here by clicking it on video, and for now we're gonna uninstall the old speakers, which is gonna be placed here. Okay. All screws is on here, and here we have our speaker, which I'm gonna uninstall right now. As you see, it's crushed. So the only way to do it is to buy the new speaker on eBay or something like that. Installing by here on the plastic, put the cover in, screw all the screws here, and take the back cover in, and that's it. You're gonna have your new speakers on the phone. If you have to change the to USB connector charging port, you just need to buy this new plate here and you install, and that's it in this video. I think you like it. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.